It's Johnny Jones, and I'm here at home. And today, we're going to be taking a look at all those cool CBs I got in that lot off of eBay and testing each one. Stay tuned! Alright, here's our first test from our radios to see if they work. I have my homemade dummy load hooked up, and I have a realistic mic hooked up here to this GE. It is a GE35809B radio. And let's see if it transmits. Well, that works fine. 1, 2, 3, audio. I don't have this up enough. Check 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio. Okay, so that works. We'll see if it receives. It does receive, but I'm too close to actually talk to it.
Check 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so it's working there. Working over here.
Test 1, 2, 3. Audio. Test 1, 2, 3.
So that is a winner. Looks like this is going on eBay. Alright, this is our second test. Once again, dummy load in the back. I've got a Bearcat mic hooked up. This is a UNIDEN PC68XL. I'm going to see if it works. Let's turn it on. Okay, that is on. Let's see if we can actually hear anything on it.
Check 1, 2, 3. Audio. Check 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so the meter light's actually out, but it seems to be responding. Yeah, it's responding. Let's see how it sounds.
Check 1, 2. Audio. Check 1, 2.
Yeah, so a little bit of feedback on that, but it is transmitting just fine then. Seems like the controls do work. Right, channel 9. Let's see if channel 9 works. Yep. See if all the numbers are there, which I will do with the other hand. Yep, so the numbers are there. No messed up LEDs. Let's see. Mic gain and RF gain, they're working, because I kind of had to mess around with the radio before this, because I was having too much feedback. But this is working, and we are going to go ahead and try another one. This is our second PC68XL. I haven't turned it on, so let's try it. It does come on. Let's go channel 9. Try bright and dim. Works. CBPA. CBPA may not work. That may be a mod. I don't know. That should usually go out for PA. Let's see here. RF gain. It's all the way down, I believe. Squelch is down. So we're getting static. Let me turn our volume down. And our RF gain down for the test. Our mic gain could be about half, I suppose. Let's try this out. Test 1, 2, 3. Well, I didn't get any meter swing there, but I heard something, so let's turn the volume up and the RF gain some. Test 1, 2, 3. Nothing. We're not getting anything there. So this one may be dead. Let's just make sure that everything is right.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, it is working. It's just very low when the meter is not working. So this will need to be worked on for sure. So the second one, intermittent issues, we can probably get it working. Go ahead and try the transmit and see if that works.
Transmit. Test 1, 2, 3. Audio.
Okay, so that does work. It seems a little bit weak, but the mic gain is all the way down. So we will work on this one, and maybe I'll make a update video on it. Let's try out the Cobra 25 from the lot. And this one says that it has some issues with the meter light and some LEDs, so let's check that out. Okay, yeah, that's a little wonky. That's supposed to be 9. Oh, let's see. Okay, so we do have yeah, we got some stuff out for sure. But the weird part, it seems like they're out sometimes and sometimes they're not. Maybe not, maybe I'm crazy. Either way, let's go ahead and try this. See if we have any volume here. I don't hear anything at all so far. No sound. Dynamic's all the way up, RF gain's all the way up. Let's turn dynamic down and try to transmit. We do get a RX light, no TX light. Interesting. So I added a different mic just in case. And there's no transmit and there's no receive at all. So there's no light, no swing, no receive, no transmit. So this is going to take a little work, but I'm not disappointed because hopefully we can get this up and running. Plus we have plenty of others up there that hopefully work. So fingers crossed. Up next, the Cobra 25 weather night watch with sound tracker. Let's see if it turns on. Woo! Oh shit. Well, somebody put something in there. Damn, that's pretty. Okay, let's see. See if weather works.
Night, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour.
Alright, that is working. Sound tracker, I can't test right now. Noise blinker. Let's see. There's a dimmer function on here as well. That's on the end. That's on the middle. The dimmer function works, so that's good. Dynamic, let's turn that about halfway and see if we can transmit. Test, 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 test. It would help if I was on the right channel. LEDs are a little bit wonky. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2. Let's turn the dynamic up a bit.
Test, 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 1, 2, 3. Audio test, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so that does work. Let's see. It should receive. Let's see. I don't think there's an RF gain on this, so let's just hope it doesn't blow the radio out. Okay.
Test 1, 2, 3. Audio test. Check 1, 2, 3.
That does work. Wow, it looks pretty too. So it does work. The dynamic has to be up a bit. Halfway doesn't work so well. Wow. So that is a looker, I tell you that much. Damn. So let's go ahead and test another one. Okay, here is the other 25. Let's see if it turns on. It does. It turns on. Can I hear anything? The dimmer, let's see if the dimmer works. Yep, dimmer works. Weather channels, let's try that out. Let's turn the squelch down to make sure the volume's up a bit. I might have to click weather up here. There it is. I'm not getting a weather channel, but that doesn't mean it isn't working. Let's go to CB. I can hear her. Let's see. Oh, this doesn't have an RF gain. I was thinking that was an RF gain. Okay, so let's try and see if it receives. Let's go ahead and turn the volume down as much as we can. Alright, they're swinging.
Test 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. Audio check.
Alright, that's working. In the receive department, let's see if it transmits.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2.
That is working. Okay, so that seems to be okay. The weather function, I didn't pick up anything when I did before with the other, which is odd, but that doesn't mean that there's an issue. That could just be that this doesn't receive very well, the weather anyway. So that's good. Let's move on to the other one. We got the Cobra 25 LTD WX. The mic was a little hard to put in, so let's see if it works. I hear noise already, but there's no meter, and that isn't on PA. Ooh, that might not be a good thing. Okay, it's just a power cord issue. Did it transmit at all? We know we're on channel 9 now. Power cord was a little bit funny, so let's see if it actually transmits. So we know we're on channel 9. Check 1, 2, 3. Nothing there. See if it receives. Nothing there. It's on weather. I'm such a moron. Hey, hey, what can you do? We all make stupid mistakes, and I make double that.
Check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3.
God damn. That's funny. Alright, let's see if we can get anything here. Alright.
Check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that is working. So we had it on weather. Well, we didn't have it on. It came that way. Well, I'm having power cord issues. It's not the radio, it's the hookup.
Night, mostly cloudy.
Okay,
Lows in the mid-30s.
weather channel there. So the other one should have got that channel.
Highs in the lower 50s.
So the LEDs actually do function. I just had the damn thing on weather. So, another working radio. What do we have left? We only have 3 left, so let's get to it. So far, I'm happy with this. All right, next we have this Midland 40 channel. It says it needs a female 6-pin. What it looks like is this right here, which is not something you run into too often. I've seen them on ham radios and stuff, but it's not usually something you see on. And it's not something I've seen on a Midland yet, but let's see if it at least turns on. It does turn on, actually. Let's see if we can actually... Nope. It has to be plugged, has to have the mic in there. So, great. Damn. This is stuck completely. I don't know why that's stuck, but... that's stuck for sure. Ooh, that's stuck too. Oh, they're just stuck. Wow, there might be some rust damage in this radio or something. The way those are, how tight those are. I mean, honestly, they're very tight. Well, unfortunately, we can't say if this one works or not at this point until I come up with something in which we can try out the transmit and the receive. So that'll be a project on its own. Anyways, let's move on to the other ones. At last, we have this TRC 418 by Realistic. And let's see if it turns on. Okay, that's on. I don't hear anything, but we do have just a dummy load in, so we have static, actually, all the way up. Alright, so the static is there. Let's turn it on 9. Before we do that, let's see if the channels do work. Just the LEDs seems fine to me. Let's test the receive.
Check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2.
Let's listen to that a little bit.
Check 1, 2. Audio check 1, 2.
Okay. Let's see if it transmits.
Check 1, 2. Audio check 1, 2, 3.
And that is transmitting. Oh, a large portion of them actually work from the lot. There's only one of them that needs serious help. The other ones are fine. The meter on one doesn't work, but I can have a light installed in that. I think it was just a light that didn't work. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with this lot, and I can't wait to find out more about this Bowman CB and find a mic for it so we can figure out what all that's about. Anyways,
It's Johnny Jones. I'm here at home, and I'll see you later.